I have a screen protector for iPhone 16. It's tempered glass film and its hardness grade is 9H+. It's military grade, shatterproof, HD clear, scratch resistant, full edge and case friendly, and bubble free with an alignment frame. So we're going to install this on my phone. First thing I do is to turn off my phone. So I'm sliding to power it off. Now it's off. This instruction sheet came in the box, so I'm going to follow those instructions. Also in the box, there was an extra screen protector and an extra accessories cleaning kit. So I've put those to one side because we don't need those today. I've cut open one installation cleaning kit. Inside was a wet wipe, a dust absorber sticker, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. The instructions are to turn off my phone and clean the screen using the alcohol wet wipe. So let me get that open, unfold it, clean the screen. Okay, now I'm going to use the microfiber cloth to go over it and dry it. Although that alcohol evaporates quickly, so I think it's already dry. The next step is to use the dust absorber. So I need to get that off. And here it is, tiny little dust absorber. It's a sticker. So I'm going to go all over my phone with this to get any dust that might be on there. It just sticks to the screen, pulls up any dust. Next step is to open the box lid. Just open the lid. Okay, here we go. Now the lid is open. Place your phone face down into the box and close the lid. The instructions on the strip that is inside the box says screen number 1, screen down. Press on this sticky note. 2, press and hold the phone. Fully extend the pull rod. There's a pull that comes out of the box. So we will try it, put it face down. Well, is it going to fit? Does it expand? No, but it's very tight. So that's a tip if you are doing this and it looks like it won't go in. Just hold the phone horizontally along the long edge and lay it down slowly and it will go in. So now we're ready to close the lid and hold the box steady with my palm, it says, and gently pull out the drawer. You have to pull out really hard. It's a slow process. And now it's pulling off a cellophane cover, I guess, that was on the phone. So this is the whole thing. That whole thing pulled out of the box. So now we open the box and the screen is protected. This is very innovative. I love it. Let's see if I can get this phone out. It's in there so tight. There. Now I'm going to go over it and get a couple of bubbles out. And they're slow, but they will come out, it looks like. There's just a few little things around the edge to push out. And here's the bigger one. Maybe because I kind of stopped in the middle of pulling out so I could grab it up farther. That may have helped cause bubbles, I don't know. But they're okay. Now my phone is protected. That was a unique experience. Thanks to Powlexa for sending me this sample to try out. It's a very nice way of installing. You might like to try it on your phone.